Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this camping fan. Finally, a camping fan I have found which covers all the functions, all the needs which I have, all the expectations which I have for a camping fan regarding light, regarding oscillation, to use it also as a power bank, really nicely protected, solid build. So it really has everything what I personally expect from a camping fan. Absolute awesome implementation. Comes even with a remote control. It has a super large battery inside which can work up to 60 hours with the fan, of course the lowest fan speed, and up to 200 hours for the light. Absolutely awesome. Means pretty much a full week of light with just one charge. So I'm going to show you what you get in the box, and then I'm going to show you all the different functions. And so here we have the box also with some description of the main features and some very detailed explanation, specification and so on. But now let's open the box, see what we get. So here we have everything. And so here we have some instructions manual with all the details as well, but I'm going to show you everything anyway. So we get also the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. This is what we want to see these days. Here's some cardboard to remove and more protection for this panel. And now everything looks perfect, beautiful from all the sides. I would say everything is really solid built. Then in the back we have this remote control. Comes already with the battery included, so we remove this protection. If there is something with the battery, we can easily open and replace the battery if needed. Close it again. And so it looks like we have all the functions also here in the remote control, really nice. And so we have two different options how to adjust the fan. So we can move it up and down like that. You can see we have a couple of different presets, really nice. And we can also move it left and right, but this is mainly done also by the automatic oscillation. And down here we have these soft rubber feet, really nice for a safe stand. And we have also this built-in hook, so we can just pull it out and hang it up somewhere in a tent or somewhere else on a tree or so. And so we can use the USB-C to charge this fan here from the back. So the input is USB-C, but we also have an output. That's an awesome thing here. So we can use it also as a power bank. By the way, make sure that you are not using USB-C to USB-C cable, because then it won't charge like this. So better use the included cable with USB-A to USB-C, and then it will charge. And so we can see that here in the front it has charge indicator 25, 50, 75 and 100%. And so here we have the different functions. We start here with the panel on the fan itself. We low press and it goes automatically into level 1. We see also the charge. We push again, goes into higher speed and even higher speed, and then maximum speed. Let's see, yeah, that's pretty strong. So let's use this back here. You can see this thing is flying now and it's still not super loud. But what's amazing here is of course the level 1, which is really quiet. So we can definitely feel the positive impact of the brushless motor that's running so quiet. It's also almost no vibration to feel. We can also use the timing. You can see we can start with 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours or 8 hours timing. So if you go to bed, leave it running for a certain time or have it always on. Then we can even add the light. That's also cool. So we can use the light independent from the fan. We can also turn off the fan and only use the light, or only use the fan, or both at the same time. That's pretty cool. By the way, the light has different modes. I think there are 3 different modes. It's always difficult to see here in the camera, but I can tell you it's a huge difference. So I hold my hand here, maybe you can see that a little bit better. Quite a difference in brightness. And then we have the automatic oscillation. You can see we can choose between the 45 degrees angle and the 90 degrees angle. So you can see the oscillation here. I think it's a really good oscillation. Sometimes we see this wobbling around or so. Here it's doing a good job, really good job on oscillation. And then we have also the night mode, and because the LED lights are always on, we have also this night mode where we can turn off the LEDs, so we can use that easily for the night, and during the day we turn it on again. And of course we can adjust everything here as well with the remote control. Turn it on, turn it off, adjust the timer, activate, deactivate the oscillation, or adjust the lighting here directly from the remote control. And of course everything works also upside down. So I'm holding this here on the hook, you can see, really nice. You can hang it up in your tent or on a tree or whatever you have, and the functions are of course exactly the same. So we can also use the oscillation, for example. And we can definitely use it also as a power bank with any USB cable. Just plug it in and, for example, charge this mobile phone. You can see it's nicely charging here. Something what I found out regarding the charge is that we can also charge while using it or use while charging it. That's also very important to know, because this can be super helpful if you want to have it as a permanent installation, for example, at home and not only for camping. Yeah, I've already tested a couple of such or similar camping fans, and I can tell you this is the best implementation I've seen so far. It's a very solid build, has all the functions which we need, super versatile. So from my side, full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.